Before you spend a single dollar on AI tools, you need to watch this entire video. Because what I'm about to reveal will save you hundreds of dollars and countless hours of frustration. I'm talking about Perplexity versus Gemini, which AI tool is better in 2026. Over the past month, I've spent over $100 testing these tools with real projects. Not just playing around, but actual work. Deadlines. Real clients. And what I discovered. Most people are choosing the wrong tool for their needs. So let me break down exactly what I found, starting with the most important question: which tool should you actually use? Let's start with Perplexity. Perplexity costs $20 per month. Now, is it worth it? Let me show you exactly what you get for that money. First, the features. Perplexity gives you real-time search, citations, voice search. Here's what that means in practice. When I tested Perplexity on a real project last week, I needed to analyze a 50-page document and extract key insights. Perplexity perfect for research, always up to date, which meant it handled this task incredibly well. I uploaded the document, asked specific questions, and within minutes had a comprehensive summary with actionable insights. This would have taken me hours to do manually. The quality? Honestly impressive. Perplexity understood context, maintained accuracy, and even caught nuances I might have missed. But here's where it gets interesting. Perplexity also has not great for creative tasks. This became obvious when I tried to use it for a different task. I wanted to generate some creative marketing copy. And while Perplexity did a decent job, I noticed it not great for creative tasks, which limited my options. So bottom line on Perplexity, if you need perfect for research, always up to date, this is absolutely your best choice. The $20 per month is justified if you're using those specific features regularly. But if you need something different, keep watching because there's a better option coming up. Now let's talk about Gemini. This one is priced at free, Pro is $19.99 per month. So it's more expensive as Perplexity. What do you get for that money? Gemini offers Google integration, multimodal, real-time info. I tested this extensively, and here's what stood out. Gemini Deep Google Integration, free tier. This is huge if you're someone who needs that capability. For example, I had a project where I needed to work with Google integration. With Gemini, this was seamless. I set it up, fed it my requirements, and it delivered results that exceeded my expectations. The speed was incredible. The accuracy was on point. But every tool has trade-offs. Gemini less creative than Chat. Depending on your use case, this might matter. When I tried using it for a task that required real-time search, I ran into issues. It just wasn't designed for that workflow. So here's my verdict on Gemini: if you prioritize deep Google integration, free tier, this is your tool. The price is competitive, and the features justify the cost. But which one should you choose? Let me break this down with a simple framework. Choose tools, 0, if. You need tool_details, 0, features, 0. You value tool_details, 0, pros, lower. Budget tool_details, 0, price. Choose Gemini if you need Google integration. You value deep Google integration, free tier. Budget free, Pro is $19.99 per month. Here's my personal recommendation after testing both extensively. For most people, especially if you're just getting started, I'd go with Perplexity. Why? Because tool_details, 0, pros, lower, and that flexibility is crucial when you're still figuring out your workflow. But if you're already experienced and you know you specifically need Google integration, then Gemini is absolutely worth the investment. One more thing before we wrap up. Both tools offer free trials. Use them. Don't just take my word for it. Test them with your actual projects. See which one fits your workflow. Here's what I suggest: sign up for both free trials. Spend 1 week using Tools 0 for all your tasks. Then switch to Gemini for another week. By the end, you'll know exactly which one you prefer. The worst thing you can do is commit to a full year subscription without testing. These tools are powerful, but they're also different. What works for me might not work for you. So, quick recap: tools, 0, is, tool_details, 0, price, best for, tool_details, 0, pros, .lower. Gemini is free, Pro is $19.99 per month, best for deep Google integration, free tier. Try both. See which fits your needs. Then commit. If this comparison helped you make a decision, please hit that like button. It tells YouTube to show this video to more people who need this information. And drop a comment below telling me which tool you're planning to try first. I read every single comment, and I love hearing about your experiences with these tools. Don't forget to subscribe because next week, I'm testing 3 more AI tools that are absolute game changers. You're not going to want to miss that video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Now go try these tools and start creating something amazing.